Section 1. Ready to make money today? Want to start earning money online? Like, right now. You're in the right place. The internet offers endless opportunities to generate income from anywhere in the world. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about proven strategies that work. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income stream, let's dive in. This isn't about magic. It's about taking action. Are you ready to put in the effort to build something real? The potential rewards are significant. More freedom, more flexibility, and the satisfaction of creating something valuable. Let's explore some of the most effective ways to unlock your online earning potential. Section 2. Freelancing. Your skills, your paycheck. Freelancing is one of the most accessible ways to start earning online today. What skills do you have? Writing, editing, graphic design, coding. There's a market for it. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru connect freelancers with clients seeking specific services. Create a compelling profile that showcases your abilities. Highlight your experience and expertise. Start bidding on projects that align with your skill set. Deliver high-quality work and build a strong reputation. As your ratings and reviews grow, so will your earning potential. Don't undervalue yourself. Research industry rates and charge accordingly. Freelancing allows you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere. It's a powerful way to take control of your income and your life. Section 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you learn. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative avenue for online income. Essentially, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on each sale you generate. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products. Choose a niche that interests you and find reputable companies offering affiliate programs. This could be anything from software to clothing to online courses. Create valuable content such as blog posts, social media updates, or videos that naturally incorporate your affiliate links. Focus on providing genuine value to your audience. Don't just spam links everywhere. Build trust and credibility by recommending products or services you genuinely believe in. When done right, affiliate marketing can generate passive income while you sleep. Section 4. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Digital products offer incredible potential for scalable income. Unlike physical products, there's no inventory to manage, no shipping costs, and no limits on how many times you can sell. What knowledge or expertise can you share with the world? Consider creating ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, or music. These products can be sold through your website, blog, or online marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. The key is to identify a need in the market and provide a valuable solution. Invest time in creating high-quality, polished products that deliver real value. Promote your products through social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Once your digital product is created, it can continue generating income for months or even years to come. Section 5. The power of consistency. Building your online empire. Building a successful online income stream takes time and effort. There's no such thing as overnight success. The key is to be consistent and persistent. Set realistic goals and break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Focus on one strategy at a time and give it your all. Don't spread yourself too thin trying to do everything at once. Track your progress and make adjustments along the way. Stay motivated by celebrating your wins no matter how small. Remember, building a sustainable online income is a marathon, not a sprint. By showing up consistently, honing your craft, and learning from your mistakes, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Section 6. Avoiding common pitfalls. Stay focused and avoid scams. The online world is full of opportunities, but it's also important to be aware of potential pitfalls. Beware of get-rich-quick schemes and too good to be true promises. If it sounds too easy, it probably is. Focus on building legitimate businesses that provide real value. Don't fall for scams that promise instant riches with little to no effort. Do your research, read reviews, and be wary of any opportunity that requires a significant upfront investment. Remember, success takes time and effort. Stay focused on your goals, be patient, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. By avoiding common pitfalls and staying true to your vision, you'll increase your chances of building a successful online income stream. Section 7, Case Studies. Real people, real money online. Don't just take our word for it. There are countless examples of people who have achieved financial freedom through online income streams. From bloggers earning six figures through affiliate marketing to entrepreneurs selling digital products that generate passive income, the possibilities are endless. One inspiring example is Michelle Schroeder Gardner, founder of the personal finance blog Making Sense of Sense. Through a combination of affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and her own online courses, Michelle has built a multi-million-dollar business and achieved financial independence. These success stories highlight the power of dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By studying the strategies of those who have come before you, you can gain valuable insights and inspiration for your own online journey. Section 8. Ready to dive deeper? Subscribe for more. Congratulations on taking the first step towards unlocking your online earning potential. This is just the beginning of an exciting journey. There's so much more to learn and explore in the world of online income generation. Want to discover even more proven strategies, insider tips, and actionable advice? Subscribe to our newsletter today and join a community of like-minded individuals on the path to financial freedom. Let's make it happen. Remember, the internet offers endless possibilities for those willing to put in the work. Embrace the challenge, stay focused, and never stop learning. Your online income journey starts now.